I ran into this last week, so fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your Squarespace site, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into Squarespace. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and navigating to the site where you want to make changes. Step 2. Go to the page editor. Locate the page where the card is displayed. Click on Pages in the left sidebar, then select the specific page to edit. Step 3. Access the card block. Once in the page editor, find the card block you want to remove. Hover over the card until you see the edit button or a trash icon appear. Step 4. Delete the card. Click the trash icon to delete the card. A confirmation message may pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete it. Confirm your choice. Step 5. Save changes. After removing the card, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the top left of the editor. This ensures your updates are applied. Remember, if you accidentally delete the wrong card, you can always undo the action as long as you haven't saved your changes yet. Happy editing!